are you guys doing? Trust you all are doing good. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna show you shortly on how you can create your playlist. It's very easy, simple method. So you all already know on how you can get to desktop site through your mobile app. So that's what we're gonna do now. So first of all, when you open your YouTube app, you click on your profile picture up there, and then you scroll down, you click on your YouTube, your data in YouTube. We are trying to get to the desktop site through our mobile app. So you scroll up again or down, whichever one. Click on your subscription. Yeah. Click on the profile picture up there, scroll down, click on your desktop. It's loading. Okay guys, so now we are on the desktop site. So what you do, you can zoom in for you to see it, and you click click here. So you scroll down, you'll see your videos among these options listed here. You'll see your library, your history, your videos. So what you do, you click on your videos, click on continue to studio. It's loading. Very easy, very easy. If you don't want to follow this method, you can just go through your Chrome and open your YouTube there and get into the desktop sites directly. So at this point, what you do is that by your left side, you see your profile picture up there. Then you see kind of playlist icon, which is the third under this red icon, this. So you click on it. That's your playlist. It's loading. So it has loaded. So what you do now is that if you look up here by your right side, you see where they wrote new playlist. So what you're going to do is that you click on that new playlist and then zoom in so that you can see it well. Playlist title, you're gonna give your playlist title, the playlist you want to create, the title you want to give it. So let's say maybe you want to give it for instance, how to visibility public. So what you do, you click on create. So you have created your playlist. So now let's get back to our channel to see that, so we are getting back to our channel. Click on your profile picture, click on your channel, click on your playlist. So as you can see, this is the playlist you have created. So that's how you can create your playlist. Very easy step. Hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. You'll see a red button up under there and it doesn't cost you anything. Please just subscribe.